This video will teach you how to create dynamic bar graphs in Plant SCADA 2023 R2. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to create a bar graph that represents a level value, define a color fill that changes with the level value, and set up a keyboard command to give the user the ability to manually change the level value. For simplicity, we will work on the example project included in Plant SCADA 2023 R2. The first thing we need to do is create a test variable tag to simulate the level value. In this example, we have defined a local variable called test level of type integer with a 0 scale value of 0 and a full scale value of 1000. Now we can save the project.
Continue with the full technical tutorial at ctiresources.com.my/knowledge-base.